Okay, guys, here we go. So this is this morning measurement details from my Arboleaf biometric scale. If you don't have a biometric scale, I highly suggest you get yourselves one. I will link to it in this video description. They are pretty cheap, $40, but it tells you a whole lot of information. And let's talk about what we found today when we woke up. And this is after eating two servings of gluten-free dessert at Lulu's Chocolate Bar last night. Actually spent $60 on me, the missus, and my child on sweets. And then I came home and I ate a bowl of gluten-free pasta, hoping that the fiber in the pasta would help slow down the absorption of all that delicious sugar that I had just consumed, and I slept like a baby. So I woke up this morning and here we go. 146.4 pounds. As you can see on the bar graph down below, as you hit these buttons, body fat 12.1% this morning. In the athlete zone, BMI is normal, 22%. Skeletal muscle is normal, close to high. So we're doing good for skeletal muscle. Our muscle mass is normal, right pretty much in the middle of normal muscle mass for my age, my height, and my weight. My muscle storage ability is through the roof, which means my body is very anabolic. My protein is above normal into the adequate, so I am sporting some good proteins in my system. BMR is 1631. That's in between insufficient and sufficient. So it's got me down a little bit low on the calories required, like what I'm burning daily. 1631 basal metabolic rate, that's your resting rate. If you were a vegetable just sitting on the couch doing basically nothing all day, 1600 calories is what I'm burning. Fat free body weight, 128.8 pounds. Not really saying if that's good or bad. It doesn't really, graph that out. Subcutaneous fat, if you read it, it says that's the ratio or the ratio of subcutaneous fat stored in your skin to your body weight. So I am on the low end of normal, close to low. So that's another great indicator. So when you take subcutaneous fat, you take body fat, and you take the next one is visceral fat, which is in the good, excuse me, the good range, five being in the lowest that you can get to. Body water, 63.5%, pretty much in the high range, very close to it, so that's good. Bone mass has me a little concerned. We've talked about that before. I noticed this drop when I was strong on keto. Not sure if there's any correlation to it, but I don't like it. My body type is normal, and my metabolic age is, according to the scale, 49. So I am actually 53. So according to my indicators, I am incredibly healthy and sporting a 49-year-old's body, but being 53. But the big one, folks, is your BMI and your body fat percentage. So those are the two indicators, really good indicators of health right there. Are you obese? Are you athlete? Are you fitness? Or are you way down to just your essential fats like on stage? That's not my goal. My goal is anywhere from 10.5 to 12.5% body fat. And my goal is to live my life, enjoy my foods, never have restrictions, eat what I want to eat, just be smart about it. Make sure that you prepare your foods the best you can at your house with a good mix of protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Please don't fall for these fad diets. Please don't get stuck on one style of eating or the other. It is not sustainable. You will quit eventually, and you will want to have a nice big bowl of pasta to your face, and you better be able to handle it. Teach yourself how to eat correctly, and you never have to restrict the foods you love to eat. Okay? That's it. That's all I got for you today.